Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with John. Today we're gonna make some pork adobo. Here we go. Chop some garlic. Oh, and look at that! We chopped the potato at the same time. Awesome. So 3/4 cups, and then we're gonna throw it in. I was using this cup first. There. It's equal parts water, vinegar, and soy. Put our pot on it, buddy. Soy. Blah 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 blah. It's okay. Asian home. We have soy. And what's this? Gotta get that shit to a boil. 3/4 cups water. Alright, so I added 3/4 cups water. We're gonna bring this shit to a boil, which ain't gonna be too hard to do. Let's throw these in here. Yeah, look at that. It's like fucking watching shit in VR. Bunch of pork. Now this pork's for stew. I was supposed to use pork rib. That didn't work out. So I got this stuff. I'm gonna take our spatula. Get this shit all up in here. Oh man, this already looks fucking hella good. Whatever. Alright, so yeah, let's bring it to a boil, simmer. Real low. Bring it real low. See? That's hella low. Take the pot lid. 45 minutes. And while we wait. So take this, take some rice, add them together, and cross our fingers. That looks incredible. Looks great. And so does that. Uh-oh. Good. I did great. Alright everybody, good night.